So I have Alissa that just completed the Details R Certified Detailer private license training program this weekend. Alyssa, where are you from?
Florence, South Carolina.
Florence, South Carolina. That's an awesome place.
Oh, yeah.
I broke down close to there once on spring break heading to Florida with my fraternity brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you think of the training this weekend?
It was awesome. It was great. You learn a lot, especially on the business side of things. And then pretty much coding, interior, you learn a lot.
And you've been detailing now. You've had your business for how long?
I've been detailing for about 4 years. I've just got my LLC about 2 weeks ago.
Congrats. Congrats. And now your plans were to come up from South Carolina to learn more and go back and really take your business to the next level.
Yes, sir.
What are some of the bigger takeaways from the weekend?
Really the business side of things, since I just recently got my LLC on things. I didn't know a lot, so this class definitely helped out a lot.
Excellent. Excellent. What did you think of the business class?
It was great, very educational, and it really showed you a lot of things that you didn't know about.
Sure. Yeah, a lot of people say that. They come in, they said, I'd have never thought of that.
Mm-hmm.
And the exterior paint correction, ceramic coating training
yes.
definitely help you?
I've never done that before, so it was definitely an experience, and I'm glad I got the hang of it.
And you did a great job. Women make great detailers.
Yes, sir.
Alyssa, you are now Details R and Jade Ceramic Coating certified.
Certified.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.